Hey guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge here at Gramophone. Today we're going to take a look at the very interesting and all-new Sleepbuds version 2 by Bose. Snoring, noisy neighbors, the news of the day. There's so much noise to keep you up at night. But the new Sleepbuds 2 by Bose use a mix of relaxing sounds, a very comfortable fit, and Bose's app, which uses their Bose noise masking technology to help you fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. Let's get into how these work. But before we do, make sure you guys get subscribed here to the Gramophone channel because we don't want you to miss out on any of our upcoming highlights. We've got a lot of great stuff on the way. All right, guys, we're going to open up the Sleepbuds, see what we get in the box here. Boom, there they are. Extra earbud sizes. We'll talk more about that in a minute. We have a charging cable. What is it? Yes, it's USB-C. Oh, Bose, you've got my number. So we have our case that are obviously going to have our buds in it. We have our start here and our larger instruction manual. Extra bud sizes rather. USB-C cable. That's fun. Okay, so in your charging case, you have your Sleepbuds. We got charge indicator right there. So they came out of the box with 2 out of 5 bars of charge, enough for us to test though. These light up to indicate that the buds are seated and charging. Let's take one out. Oh man, these things are tiny, guys. And they just magnetize right in, latch right down into the case. There's the USB-C on the back. All right, Bose, I see you. Alright, so the first major feature of the Sleepbuds is actually going to be the Bose Sleep app itself, because it is crucial to getting everything out of these. That's going to come preloaded with up to 40 different sounds, some of which are there to gently lull you into sleep, and then others feature Bose noise masking frequencies, which are specifically designed from the ground up to have a blend of gentle frequencies, but ones that also are likely to block out all the chaos of the outside world to help you stay asleep. To give you a little bit of a better idea how this noise masking feature works, basically it's a blend of frequencies that you'll find familiar, as in background sounds, but the specific types of frequencies blended in are things that cause the brain to mask out anything else it's hearing in the background. So it's very good at dealing with the kind of disturbances that would threaten to keep you awake. You can also opt for the Tranquilities package. These are tonal sounds that are designed to bring peace to both mind and body and help you fall asleep and keep you relaxed throughout the night. Lastly, there's the Naturescapes package. These are soothing sounds from nature designed to transport you to some of the most relaxing places on the planet so that you can easily and comfortably fall asleep and enjoy the best that the earth has to offer you. And that's just the start. More content is going to be added to that sound library as time goes on with future software updates. Bose has a lot in store for us. And just to give you guys some numbers, the battery life on these is 10 hours, so they're going to get you through a full night of sleep. Your case is going to charge your earbuds within 6 hours back to full charge, and the case itself will charge up to full within just 3 hours. Also, the buds have an automatic on-off feature to preserve battery life, which is a really useful feature because when you think about it, you may not necessarily need these to go all night. Therefore, if they can get you to sleep and from there you're good, save that extra battery. You know, for a product like the Sleepbuds, they've got to be exceptionally comfortable, and they've got to stay within your ear if you toss and turn a little bit at night. Because if these aren't comfortable, well, then they're just going to become the problem for why you can't sleep themselves. So these have to be very light, very thin, and fit like a glove. And I have to say that Bose has pretty much done that. These are insanely tiny, weigh virtually nothing, and when I put this into my ear, even just with the original earbuds, I actually found this one does work for me. It's not going anywhere, and I didn't feel it shift in my ear at all. And while I can feel it in there, It's by no means oppressive, it's not annoying, and I can imagine actually laying down with these and not feeling like I'm being driven crazy. Also about design, just look at this presentation. This case is actually one of the better and more well-made cases that I've felt when it comes to a product like this. The latching system on it feels really good, and I think the look of it is really cool. Setting this on your nightstand, it's going to look good on it. On the back, we've got the USB-C connectors, so you know that this has solid and reliable charging that's going to last. USB-C is nice and durable. Overall, that's a really winning package and a great presentation for Bose. You know, more about these silicone tips. They feel really durable. They're extremely pliable and soft. No complaints there. That's about as good as it gets. Bose really innovated when they came out with the Stay Here tips. This is essentially a low-profile evolution of that, just to be perfect for sleeping in. And on the outsides of the buds, they're coated in this very soft touch, gentle on my fingertip material. That's actually an anti-friction material, and that's designed so that if you toss and turn or you're a side sleeper, that it won't catch on your pillow and get ripped out. And the case, which I've already gone on and on about how much I like it, is actually a solid chunk of aluminum with a very nice soft touch foot on the bottom and that very addictive, smooth action. These use Bluetooth version 5.0, which is pretty much the latest and greatest. It's going to have great sound quality and give you range up to 30 feet away from your phone. So these are super convenient and sound great. These also work with the Bose Sleep app, as mentioned before. That is your control center for everything, for downloading new sound packages, setting sleep timers, setting your volume for the night, all of that. So make sure you get the Bose Sleep app. Once you get your Sleep Buds home, get them set up and configured just the way you want them so you can get a good night's rest tonight. Now, there is one other thing that I do have to mention to you guys. The Sleep Buds specifically are designed for Bose's sleep programs to be used on the Sleep app. They do not play back anything else at all. The reason for this is in order to make something that compact and that comfortable, they had to optimize the frequencies that this would play back for battery purposes. So just be aware that when you buy this product, it is awesome, it does its job very well, but it is specifically and purpose built for helping you sleep. For just under $250, the Sleepbuds II by Bose are here to help you fall asleep and make sure that you stay asleep while achieving maximum quality of it throughout the night. So do yourself a favor, guys, have the best sleep that you're gonna get, and click that link down below. Head on over to skybygramophone.com, pick up a pair of Sleep Buds for yourself. You can check out securely and have them sent fast and free straight to your door. If you need any help coming up with project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or would like to speak to one of our hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. If you have any questions for me about anything I've covered here on the channel, ask at gramophone.com. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget, please come visit us. You will find us in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland, as well as at our beautiful Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Alright guys, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, drop a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. Tell me what you think of the Sleep Buds and what you want to see from us in the future. It's always a pleasure with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be seeing you.